Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit a static pre-wedding couple photo using AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the photo looks like and I'm going to show you how you can create this photo. First of all, you're going to visit gemini.google.com. You're going to use Nano Banana on Gemini to create pre-wedding photo. Okay, you can visit this website or you can open up the Gemini app. You can open it from your computer or from your mobile phone. And then you're going to upload your photo with your couple. And for me, I'm going to use Hermione's photo, and with Ron, I'm going to choose this one. And I recommend you to upload photos with clear face, so the result will be better. And you can add this prompt. Okay, and then you're going to choose Nano Banana. Okay, and then you can send it to the AI, and the AI will create a pre-wedding couple photo for you. Okay, now the photo is being generated. Alright, and this is the result guys. Hermione looks same, but Ron, it's a little bit different. And this is for the prompt. But as you can see that the Ron's face is not that clear. So I recommend you guys to upload a photo with clear face. And for the prompt, I'll put it on the description. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!